Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. It's been a while that I haven't done any videos because I've been so busy with work and holidays and shopping and all that. So, I didn't really have time to make videos, but today we're gonna be unboxing all the stuff that I bought from the Victoria's Secret. If you already see in the title and if you already see the thumbnail, I'm sorry if my voice is like a little bit under the weather, so I'm a little bit like husky right now. Husky. So I'm gonna be unboxing the Victoria's Secret stuff that I bought from the holiday sale, which is the Black Friday sale. There are good stuff in there. Some of the stuff I'm gonna be giving for Christmas. Some of the stuff I'm gonna keep it for myself because why not? So without further ado, let's open the boxes. So the boxes are actually under the tree, and let's get started.
Every little Christmas.
Alright guys, so here are the stuff that I bought from Victoria's Secret. So I have 4 black bags. I have 3 paper bags that I bought from the store. And I have 2 big boxes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are the boxes. And this is the big one, this is the small one. So we're gonna open the big one first. So like what I said, these are all just gifts for family and friends, and some of them are for myself, of course. So let's do it. It's fast because I know this is gonna be long. So the first box, the big box. Whoa, it's actually not full. Look. This is the first big box. So these are like slippers. So you know Filipino family, they have like slippers all over the house. So we have slippers. So these slippers are actually just $10 each. So it's a pink slipper. Let me open it. And I bought like a lot of the slippers because it's a good gift for Filipino, kids, also like teenagers, like girls, friends and all. So right here, so this is a slipper. So the slipper actually has a dust bag that is also says, like a Victoria's Secret pink bag. So it's right here. And the slipper is like this. So yeah. So the slipper is very cute. It has like a black faux fur, and it's a very soft, silky slippers. And I bought like I think 10 of them. The other one is this one. It's like a polka dot. I'm just gonna put a picture on this side how it looks like, but I'm not gonna open it because they might think that I've already worn it or something. So like what I said, this is for gifts. And there's also like a pink polka dot slippers right there. See right there and here. And here. And it says I have $20 off $50. If I buy $50 worth of Victoria's Secret stuff, I get $20 off. And I bought a robe. I forgot I bought a robe actually, because later on I'm going to show you that I also bought a robe here. So we're going to put it back. So I have now we're gonna proceed to the next box, which is a small box. And they're mostly scarves. I'm gonna put it there. Also, there's this kind of slipper too, like this. I have like, how many was there? 8. And I also bought like Victoria's Secret pajamas, like this ones. Yeah. And also another scarf, another pajamas, and another slippers, and another $20. So we're gonna keep it there. We're not gonna use all of them because if I'm gonna use all of them, then I'm gonna be like spending too much already. And then let's proceed to this bag right here. Oh, and this is a matchy blanket for the slippers. So remember, there's the slippers, and this is the matching throw blanket. So there's that. That's the only thing that's in this bag. Next, this bag. So remember, we had 4 bags. We already opened one. And another blanket. So now there's 2 blankets. Okay, I'm gonna put the blanket in this box right behind me. Now we're gonna proceed to the 3rd bag. I'm supposed to have 4 blankets, so let's see if the 4 blankets already here. Whoa. Oh, so these are bras. These are bras. These are for me. We're not gifting bras because I don't know their size, and you know. Oh yeah, so these are just normal everyday bra. Like here. Here. So yeah. It's a very cool one. And I got like a nude, a white. This is like a card holder, I guess. And like a blush. And the bras are like $23. With all the bras by the blanket. And these over here. And okay, so next we're gonna open the last but not the least is the big bag. I believe this is where the perfume sets are. Oh, it's like a hat. It's like a pom-pom hat. So cute. And the boxes are actually where the perfumes are. So they put it in boxes, but I'm gonna show you what they are. I have like 6 of them. And another hat. So what I don't have here is 2 of my blankets hasn't arrived yet. They're supposed to send me 4 blankets, which is a free when you buy $125. Or no, when you buy $85 worth of stuff, you're gonna get a free blanket. So I'm supposed to be getting 4 blankets because I made 4 separate purchases. What's in these boxes are actually perfume sets. So I'm gonna open one for you. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna take it back because I'm gonna give this away as gifts. And maybe we're gonna have Christmas Eve with the family, so maybe we're gonna have, you know, like raffle prices and all that. So that's why I bought stuff for you know, not a lot, but good stuff, nice ones. So this one, oh, this is cute. So this is the holiday perfume. So this is the Bombshell Intense, the perfume mist and lotion inside. And this is, I believe this is worth like $18 or something, but for the holiday they're only selling it for $10. Yeah, for the holiday only. So it's a good gift for $10. Why not, right? And yeah, so I'm gonna put it back. We're gonna check if all of the orders that I made online are here. So here's one, the Intense. This one is a, wait, what's this? This is Tease. This is the perfume that I use all the time. I love this smell. I love this scent of the Tease perfume. I've been using it for a while. This is how it looks like. Sorry about the light. So next is another, it's the same one. It's a Bombshell Intense. So I guess I had two Bombshell Intense. Checking everything. Oh, this one is a gold and white, and it's called Heavenly. So it looks like it's called Heavenly, and it smells good. There. Yeah, do that. I'm just checking everything and then put away later. I still have to go to work before filming this video, so yeah. Right. So that's another Heavenly. So I also bought two Heavenlies. So these are all the perfumes right here. There. So excuse with my tummy. Alright, we're gonna put this in this box. And now, because I used one of my holiday, they also sent me this through email, and I used it in the store. And what I got from there is, I also got a robe. So this is the robe. If you're wondering how it looks like that. So there's like a Victoria's Secret logo at the back, right there. And then it's like that. It's like below the knee robe, but it's very soft. It's very squishy, smooth. Love it. And because they also sent me a coupon from Victoria's Secret, I also got free panty. There, just one. And I also bought a towel wrap. Right there. So this is what you wrap around instead of a towel, so it's not, falling. So this is the one. And you get it for $10 if you buy $20 worth of stuff from Pink. So I got, these are the only scent that I like from Pink. So these are the only things that I got from Pink. So I could get the towel wrap for $10. And these are like $7 each. And they're also very good for gifts. And they're originally $16.50. So, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing video. That was a lot of stuff. But they're just all kind of the same, with slippers and perfumes and all those kind of sale stuff from the Victoria's Secret, and all the good gifting stuff. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell, subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.